Yeah.
Hi all, this is Chef Muthu here. Welcome to another show of Amul Live. So we'll wait for a few more seconds before we start our show. So usually when I'm cooking for the guest, we'll be wearing a face mask and a cap. But since we are doing a small demo and we want to give it like a Garka feel, so I'm just keeping it very simple so that our communication is very easy, and I want to feel like I'm part of your home. So should we start? Okay, today we have a program where we are going to show you a 3-milk cake. ये 3-milk केक जो है ये दिस इज फ्रॉम मेक्सिको. यूजुअली ये केक बेस में एक को इंग्रेडिएंट है, बट हमने एक केक बिना एग से बना रहा है. सो आई विल शो यू द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. वी गॉट फ्लावर, मैदा, वी गॉट सम आलमंड पाउडर, वी गॉट सम बेकिंग सोडा, वी गॉट बेकिंग पाउडर, वी गॉट बटर, milk, we got condensed milk and little bit of vanilla flavor. This is the ingredients for the cake base. उसके बाद हम बनाएगा 3 sauces. ये जो sauces है we will be using in the cake as well as a garnish. So before we start, what I would like to say is, first if for any preparation we need to understand when we are using baking powder and baking soda, इसका डिफरेंस क्या है. सो बेकिंग सोडा व्हाट हैपन्स इज व्हेन यू प्रिपेयर इन अ मिक्सचर, जैसे ही आप मिक्सचर में डाल रहे हैं इट विल स्टार्ट टू रिलीज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड व्हेन इट कम्स टू कांटेक्ट विद मॉइस्चर. बट बेकिंग पाउडर क्या करता है, जब वो मिक्सचर को आप ओवन में डालता है वो टाइम में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ देता है. सो व्हाट हैपन्स इज दिस इज अ 2-prong chemical aeration happens, so the cake is very light. So let us go into the recipe. So let us start with this. I'm having butter. We all mix everything together. It's a very simple recipe for you to do at home. ज़्यादा complication नहीं है ये recipe में. So in India, usually when we say that we are preparing a cake, the first question which comes is it possible to prepare this eggless? So we have consciously taken a call and decided, जो आप आज का demonstration करेगा वो this will be without egg. So that is why we chosen this recipe, which is prepared without egg. So we have mixed the condensed milk and butter. So nice and smooth. Then little by little we can add the milk. Whisk for this. So now we add the almond powder, all of it. It's a pretty simple, straightforward recipe है. ज़्यादा आपको complication नहीं है ये recipe बनाने में. So now what we will do, we are going to add the flour into this. So before that हम क्या करना, ये बेकिंग पाउडर और बेकिंग सोडा को फ्लावर में ऐड करके लिटिल बिट उसको सीव करना, so that this is all mixed together well. That's it. So there you go, we are done. अभी मिक्सचर तैयार हो गया. See, I am not mixing it with a whisk because I don't want it to develop a lot of gluten. So I am just using a spoon. We can use a spatula also. It's kind of done. So this is the stage. मैंने थोड़ा ऑरेंज का पील ग्रेट किया, so we add that orange peel for the flavor. Then we add the vanilla flavor to this. So we are pretty much done with this recipe. So that's it. So what we are going to do is we are going to set the temperature on the oven. So what I have here is I got a microwave, but I am going to use a convection setting. So we have 180 degrees and I am going to set a temperature of 15 minutes. We have some molds. You can use any type of flexi molds. We got a silica mold which is available. You can pick up this from Amazon. So you can just nicely spoon this mixture. Onto this. Just about that level. That will give you about 12 molds approximately. That's it. So as it is getting cooked, let's do something else. So we will prepare 3 sauces. I am going to show you today a very special sauce. This sauce is something which I learned in Germany. That is some 15-16 years back. I remember as if it was yesterday. So what we are going to do today is we are going to do a orange butter sauce. So what we are going to do is we are going to we have three ingredients basically. We have got icing sugar, we have got butter, and then we have freshly squeezed orange juice. So what I am going to do today here is I am going to add the sugar in this in small batches, caramelize this, and then once it is all done as a nice caramel, then I will be adding the butter, and finally I will be finishing with the orange juice. So let's see if it's ready now. Take a couple of seconds. So after this we will be preparing the 3 milk base, which has got basically this 3 milk is condensed milk, we have the fresh milk, and yeah, it's kind of ready. We can start adding it slowly. So it has got condensed milk, then we have got cream and fresh milk. So that makes the 3 milk. So you can see this sugar is getting melted very fast. So please be very careful that you are not having children around you, because this has to be done with a lot of caution, because at this point of time the sugar is cooking to somewhere around 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. So it's quite hot. So you need to be really careful when you are doing this. So there is a different ways of doing caramel. The one way is like you add all the sugar at one point of time and then add a little bit of water and then let it cook slowly. But this is a very quick and very I would say relatively easier method to quickly make a caramel. धीरे धीरे आप शुगर ऐड करके आप इसको कैरमलाइज कर सकता है. इसको कहते हैं ऑरेंज बटर सॉस. The cake is coming up nice. It's about 11 minutes to go. Let's see if we can make the sauces before it is done. Do you guys think it is easy or it is tough? I'm sure it is not too tough, right? Except for this part maybe. Yeah, that's it. We got all the sugar. It's done. So I'm just taking it off a tad bit out of the range, because the heat transfer will be quite high. So yeah, with its own heat it is able to caramelize now. See, now it is all done. It's all melted. Now I am going to add the butter. And cook it a bit more. Yeah, nice butterscotch cheese sauce. Yeah, it's done now. अभी हम we can add the orange juice. So maybe we'll show you the recipe once again for people who have joined later. So that is the three recipes. So the first is the recipe for the cake. You have the ingredients listed out there. And the second part will be having the orange butter, the sauce, chocolate sauce, as well as the 3 milk sauce. Yeah, so right now we got the orange butter getting cooked, so it will take a couple of minutes because it has to. What happens is, if the sugar is subjected to the sugar got caramel and it is in a very high temperature, so suddenly when we add the orange juice which is at a lower temperature, it will start to get a bit solid. So that solids has to dissolve. वो डिज़ोल्व होने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ेगा. So in a couple of minutes it will be done. So once that is done, then we will do the chocolate sauce. We have these 3 ingredients. We have cocoa powder, we have chocolate, we have sugar, and then we have water. That's it. Simple. So see, we have got a nice sauce. So in case you wanted to add some liquor, you can add some little bit of a dash of orange liquor into this, but that's not required. In case you wouldn't want to add any liquor, this is very flavorful and very refreshing, this sauce. So it is just about to come for a boil. Once it is come for a boil for a couple of minutes, then we can take it off. Another couple of seconds. There you go. So we have got this orange butter now ready. It's all melted. There's no sugar anywhere. It's all cooked well. So it has to be cooled down for some time, because as it cools, the butter will solidify a little bit, and then it's easier for you to plate in the with your dish. So we have kept this sauce aside. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to prepare the chocolate sauce. So you can see the ingredients which is listed there. So it's very pretty simple and straightforward. We have got the water, sugar. So this is grain sugar, regular sugar, what we use for tea or coffee. Same sugar we can use. So you can add everything except for the chocolate in the beginning. It's so easy, right? So पहला थोड़ा boil होने दो. Once it comes to a boil, then we can add the chocolate bar which is over here, and we can keep it aside. That's it. So I can see that cupcakes are getting puffed up. So we got the chocolate sauce getting ready. The sugar has to dissolve. So we need to be a little patient. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add the 3 milk ingredients over here. We have the, so in Mexico or US they use we have milk, cream, yeah, evaporated milk, but we are using condensed milk, cream and milk, but the result is pretty much the same. It's pretty good. So I just added the condensed milk in the saucepan, then we add the milk. So this, for the 3 milk, all this 3 ingredients are of equal quantity. Yeah, this come to a nice boil. There you go. This is done. You just dump in the chocolate and let it dissolve in the heat of the sauce. There it is done. So we take out all these ingredients, scrape all the cream. If you are having your kid next to you, then you know they will very happily put their fingers around and finish this Milkmaid off. I can't do that, of course, here. Okay, there it is. So we are done. So we have got the orange sauce which is done. Now we have got the chocolate I showed you, and now we have the 3 milk. We got about 2 minutes to go here in the oven. What I am going to show you here is we have already prepared some cakes, because we need to leave it for some rest before we start to unmold it. So I have prepared the similar cakes with me here. So we got some of this already with us. So once I am done with this mixture, I will be showing you how this is done. So what we need to do is we need to make some small incisions in this cake out here, so that it can absorb the milk. So you've got another minute to go for the 15 minutes. We have this ready now. So we got about 6. Now it's going to just finish the 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just open it and show it to you. So that is how it is. So now we will cook for a few more minutes. sauce is getting ready, and we'll subject to for further cooking for maybe another 3 or 4 minutes. So you can see that sauce is getting cooked very nice. We have got the sauce to boil well, and now we can actually start to dispense it. So what we are going to do is we are going to add this sauce, 3 milk sauce. Okay. So it will absorb well. You can see that we have poured 1 spoonful. It has already started to absorb. So we can keep on adding 3 milk mixture. धीरे धीरे ऐड कर सकता है. So what we do, I will show you 2 different ways to plate it. एक simple method है, and then little bit Western style. So we have the chocolate sauce जो हम बनाया. So we can add this chocolate sauce in the plate. Just let it tilt downwards like this. Then we have this orange butter. You can add in a few droplets. So what we have is we have got some crackers. So this is your waffle crackers, which we want to use it for giving a little bit of crunch. We have that down here, which will give a nice crunchy contrast. take one of this nice juicy 3 milk cakes. So we have this cake over here, and we can add a nice amount of fruits around it. So we can have a dollop of cream. And drop in a mint if you desire. So that's one of your plates, and let's do a simple one. So you can just have some sauce down here. You can show this. Have this. There you go. So that's your egg-free 3 milk cake, which has got almond and orange. Hope you enjoy doing this. Thank you so much.